Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome back to A La Carte Cooking's 12 Cocktails of Christmas. Today's the last day of the 12 Cocktails of Christmas. It is Christmas Day, and we're gonna go with an easy cocktail. This is gonna be one of those things where maybe you got up early, or had last minute gift wrapping you had to do, or you got up and you opened all your presents and you have people coming over and you just need a cocktail, right? You need something easy. Well, let's just be honest. You need an easy cocktail that just kind of does the job, but is still holiday-ish. We are doing a cranberry Moscow Mule. We made that cranberry simple syrup earlier. It was fantastic, and we have just a little bit left. This is what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna make it a wonderful Moscow Mule. It's kind of a nice little twist to make it holiday. And let's be honest, a Moscow Mule is one of probably the simplest cocktails to make. It's just ice, lemon, or not lemon, lime. You can do lemon, that's kind of weird, but do lime. We're gonna use the simple syrup, the cranberry simple syrup, vodka, ginger beer. That's it, super easy. There's no stirring involved, there's no shaking involved, there's no anything really. It's just a simple cocktail. Let me show you how easy it is. Ice goes in. This is how easy this is. We are not even measuring how much vodka. You do whatever your heart desires. You can do 1, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's one of those days. You might have family coming over. You love them. Maybe you don't. I don't know. I love mine. You gotta take a big tool for the little job. Gonna take that lime. Gotta have lime in there. We're gonna squeeze it in. In goes lime juice. Lime goes in. Again, it's simple. Zero waste here. The cranberry simple syrup, in it goes. Actually, that looks pretty cool. Check this out. Oh, wow. How fun. And then ginger beer. Bundaberg is what we like to use. In it goes. Just kind of garnish that with cranberries. Just kind of give it a little simple stir there. You got to see how this looks before I drink it. That's it, guys. Merry Christmas. Dang, that is good. That is delightful. The cranberry's sweet. It's wonderful. It's holiday-ish. It looks good. It's in a nice copper mug. You can go ho, ho, ho with it. Just drink it all up. And it's easy. This is probably the easiest cocktail we made. Maybe there's a little bit of, preparation. Whatever. It's fine.
That link is up top.
The link's up top.
Yeah.
Up there. Just like a bunch of things, right?
Santa.
And Santa. And Jesus. And your chimneys. If you have a chimney. Hey, thanks guys. We know it's been a long journey. It's been 12 cocktails. Trust me, I know. I've drank them all. They're fantastic. But thank goodness I didn't do them all in one day. This would be a very different video. I'll tell you that much. A very different video. But this is a very simple cocktail to end out the season with. And I know you guys have your loved ones with you. If you're seeing this on Christmas Day, we really appreciate it. We're gonna keep it short. Get back to your family. Go enjoy. Have a Merry Christmas. We'll talk to you soon.